14, that's the number of fires someone has set here along Wyandotte Street since June 12th. The last 3 came this weekend with a flicker of light catching the eye of Connor Waits Sunday around 10 p.m.
I come back here, see that the trash cans are on fire, and then I look to my girlfriend who's following me and I yelled to her to call 911.
Quick action saved this home, but those that live on this quiet street in Lancaster live in fear. The arsonist strikes day and night. Connor says his mother is at her wit's end.
It's to the point where my mom's almost scared to go to work because she's scared that they're going to set the house on fire.
Across the street at Gretchen Chute's home,
now they did use a water bottle with something in it.
someone tried to burn down the family shed 4 times in the last month. When the first trash cans were set, Gretchen brushed it off as a teen prank, but not anymore.
With as dry as it is, they're going to set an outbuilding on fire. It's going to spread through the yard, hit somebody's house, or they're going to target a car, and it's going to spread to somebody's house, and then somebody is going to get hurt, seriously hurt.
Evidence of a serial arsonist is undeniable. Their work claiming this garage at 311 Wyandotte and parts of this backyard fence. Lancaster police say they have stepped up patrols and questioned people of interest.
We are trying to enlist the cooperation of all of the citizens in that neighborhood. They have been extremely helpful. They've been very vigilant. They call when there is someone suspicious.
It is a game of cat and mouse that everyone living here is tired of playing.
It's escalating, and it's getting scary.
In Lancaster, Candace Lee, NBC4.